Alright guys, right now we are on our way to the supermarket. We still not get back no light yet. We still not get back no internet. So today I will be going to the supermarket to pick out some stuff, rice flour, see if I can get some oil, whatever it is that I can get. Because guys, you know storm come everything, food still expensive. You know what I'm saying? Everybody have something to deal with. Either their rooftop gone, their entire house gone, the workplace they mess up guys. So you know no income equals no food. You can't buy, you can't do whatever. So even for 5 people get to help to the guys, me still feel good in myself because you know look good. Me not like how I feel. You know people, even if I dinner for tonight. So come with me guys. I'm gonna see what me can get. And shout out to Chris from the UK because you didn't have to do what you did, but you still went ahead and did that. So big up yourself. Shout out to you. You know who you are. So big up yourself. Come on. What? Come along with me guys. Alright guys, so we are in the supermarket and see if we can get them here. Even 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, even 5 3-pound. I don't know, I have to ask mommy. Guys, sorry. I need mommy to help me with this. Like one day if it's best to buy 5 3-pound or rice, 5 3-pound of flour. But them are not bad. Them are not bad.
Come by here now.
And the rice here. My apology guys, I try my best to zoom out as possible because every minute I zoom like this. I don't like when it in on my face. So I have to keep on do this. But back to reality, back to realness. Okay, so 1, how much you have? 2. 5 you have already? I think I'm gonna need something like that. Look too small. To carry grocery now. I could go on that floor. Come on, help with that. Alright guys, so we just get whatever we can for right now. Yeah, may I ask you if them
Take that cat then. Take that cat.
this?
Yeah.
That mess I'm not gonna get this a little beanie sitting there. 3-pound now. Wait. Alright guys, so hopefully this is better. 5 3-pound of flour, yeah.
How much that? 4.
Yeah, put one more in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, now we need 5 3-pound of rice.
It's the hurricane that up there.
You know, so you take off the thing them off and you won't stop and we fix them by the next day still.
That good still, you know, we like there.
Cool man, the greatest.
Some people like white. Some people generally do not like white rice. You want to just mix it up? Just do white.
We're not seeing a 3-pound.
Yeah man, these are 2, so this then I put on here, so we got ask.
Ask them if they are 3-pound.
So what you want with? You check out anything?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
How much pound of rice is this? Huh? Okay, thank you. Excuse me.
Me and tea, brother. You know about
Mommy had 3. Alright guys, so them are 3-pound. Yeah, 3, so you had 5 of that. Mommy, I feel like we're back too small, you know? Alright, so that's all. With them, they're 3-pound.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we're do good. And 5 tissue. Alright, so let's go. We need, what we need? I think if we get some tin stuff. Some tin stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, bring it out. Yeah.
I mostly like mackerel and then something, right?
Which one of them? It's about it. No. And then I put it price. Hello.
Which one?
Excuse me, know which one of them is?
Oh no, just ask the question.
Alright guys, so mommy I get 5 mackerel and sorry. Oh, people eat crackers on there sitting there.
They get 2 bagay.
Did you ask him?
Yeah, me ask him, thanks. Oh, see crackers there.
Hold it, ladies, hold it.
Guys, they always wrap it crackers them together. They want them I look for, but we can't find them. Let me see what I get.
Them are a chunky one, and them are a short one like over here. So we're trying to figure the short one and the chunky one.
Can mix them. Alright, so what else we need?
Only the
One no. Tissue, tin mackerel, tuna. Alright, yeah. Alright guys, so this is what we have so far. We have tissue, we have rice, flour, and tin stuff. Alright guys, we get oil as well. So we're gonna catch and then go over this one. Alright. Cashier, sir? Cashier, sir? Guys, right now everybody are going through some tissue.
Come here.
Wow. Want to see that nice color?
So same way we're gonna get them so. Okay. Mama, I don't think that the bag they can't work, not tell you.
Oh, Vincent.
So small.
Look
like the burgers, yes, burgers.
Where's the burger sweet?
Yeah, in a 13 or 4.
And then
You want them at that enough for it, then finish.
Green one?
Any one of them.
Vincent, take gravy here.
You think they eat the green one? Or them the better? Green one better or them the? Or no matter?
Yeah, you know,
Alright, get them.
They serve more people. Don't make it that way.
Oh, you may understand what you're saying.
Right, not small of it, like cheer more.
I share.
Yeah, don't get them already, you know.
Yeah, I'm gonna come back. This heavy, you know how much pound I see in this? Yeah, yeah, yeah. If baby them want soap, though, just get soap for baby them and the porridge and Alaska. Yeah. All them is very important. I think we must grab one for you, lady.
Well, little Alaska them there.
See them down.
Vanilla?
Vanilla, yeah. Big one, small one.
Oh, small one.
So we can put back this in and put it in.
Yeah.
One or more than one.
Vanilla one.
How much you want? Get anyone like creamy
Creamy
malt.
malt.
Or any look up. So,
You one of them creamy malt.
a creamy malt.
Jenny's not listening.
She said one. Our tongue.
Alright.
Mackerel.
And a tuna.
You can walk away now. We about to turn this
What you walking?
Okay.
Hold on. You pull out water.
The water already gone in our food.
I talk to all lady and say, I always start to go off. You understand? Walk on the side there.
Right,
Over the
sir?
side, look.
Look out here, sir.
This is what you do?
Yeah.
Alright, go on.
But right now, this is not our place. We're only staying here for the time being until we finally get some help.
Oh my. The mattress, everything soaked. It red gone to roof. So then there, so this is not their place. I know for them places, so they must stay right now. But however when you can help, or however when you can support, reach out to me guys, and we'll get back to them and show them what we can do. And show them whatever we do.